Establishing an online presence is crucial for businesses and marketers seeking to succeed in a competitive industry. Engagebay is an all-in-one marketing software which combines lead generation, email marketing, marketing automation, CRM, and social media engagement. Designed to help businesses to acquire, engage, nurture, and close leads, Engagebay also allows users to create email campaigns and automate marketing processes and sales funnels. Engagebay offers a built-in CRM to assist users organize their business connections, manage relationships, and monitor pipelines. With both marketing and sales teams working in Engagebay, leads and contacts may be effortlessly steered through the sales pipeline utilizing a single synchronous platform. Contacts can be maintained using tools that allow you to create contact lists, search the contact database, store interaction history, log activities, and more. Engagebay facilitates customer segmentation, defined by conditional metrics such as age, location, type of customer, purchase history, and more, in order to target specific subsets of users. With Engagebay, users are able to gain visibility into the sales pipeline and track the status of every deal in real time. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Engagebay review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Engagebay. What does Engagebay really do? Engagebay is a powerful, simple, affordable, and integrated all-in-one marketing and sales automation tool designed for online businesses and marketers to acquire, engage, and convert website visitors into customers. It features a marketing automation suite to help businesses save time, nurture audiences, and automate manual tasks. It keeps users organized by storing and categorizing all email contacts, track deals, and the sales pipeline to boost sales. Engagebay's live chat and help desk features provide real-time assistance to convert website visitors into happy customers by tracking, prioritizing, and solving customer support tickets. Its custom web forms help capture leads, and landing pages can be built to optimize clicks and conversions. Engagebay lets businesses use marketing tools to build relationships with customers and retain them for a lifetime. The unified marketing suite within Engagebay provides businesses with the tools to design, manage, and run customized marketing campaigns. Marketing campaigns can then be automated by defining workflows and funnels, as well as setting up triggers based on customer actions. Additionally, it provides marketing capabilities for users to generate leads through automated email templates, customizable forms, pop-ups, social media engagement, and more. Engagebay also helps manage and update your members with features like event reminders, scheduled text messages, and engagement reminders. Whether it's freeing up time by streamlining administrative tasks or providing a seamless customer journey through various channels like text, email, social media, phone calls, and in-person meetings, Engagebay proves to be a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes. Benefits and key features of Engagebay. Some of the benefits and unique features of Engagebay includes 1. Sales and marketing automation. Engagebay enables businesses to create and execute targeted marketing campaigns, nurture leads, and automate marketing tasks. It also streamlines the sales process by providing tools for lead management, quote and invoice generation, and sales forecasting, helping sales teams close more deals. 2. Automated workflows and CRM tool. With Engagebay, several workflows can be designed to automate messages and channels best suited for the case. You can also automate online marketing campaigns and sales activities to both increase revenue and maximize efficiency. 3. Websites and landing pages that boost conversion rates. Engagebay helps you create websites and landing pages that attract more traffic and increase sales. With its drag-and-drop editor, you can easily create mobile responsive landing pages without any coding skill. 4. Email sequences and email marketing. With Engagebay, you can effortlessly automate, personalize, and schedule these emails. You can also personalize the subject lines and email content based on the information you collected about your recipients. 5. Appointment scheduling software. With Engagebay, you can let your leads book meetings without the hassle of back-and-forth emails. Once set, you can send reminders and adjust buffer times between meetings as needed. 6. Contact management software. By observing contact activities with Engagebay, you can understand your customer behavior and patterns. You'll see a full view of each person, including past interactions and interests. This can be used to send tailored messages and reminders that boost conversion. 7. Social media marketing. Engagebay's social suite automates your social media. You can automatically share content, interact with followers, and monitor mentions at any suitable time. You can also transfer leads from social media into your CRM system. The keyword streams help you track conversations related to your business. 8. Analytics and reporting. With built-in analytics and reporting capabilities, businesses can gain valuable insights into their customer data, marketing campaigns, sales performance, and overall business operations. Engagebay's pricing and plans. Engagebay offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The free plan allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Basic, Growth, and Pro plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited email and SMS marketing tools. Pros: automate all marketing and sales processes through a complete suite of marketing tools. Create marketing campaigns using the pre-built Engagebay templates, which can be customized to fit with company branding. Convert web visitors into leads by creating custom web forms and landing pages. Access all emails exchanged, calls made, and track all web visitor activity to gain meaningful insights. 360-degree customer view across marketing, sales, and support departments. Show the right message to the right person with advanced, personalized campaigns. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the free plan option comes with limited features. Conclusion: Engagebay is an all-in-one software for growing businesses and streamlining their marketing, sales, and services under one roof. It offers powerful email marketing, which lets businesses create fully customizable email marketing communications to send to their target audience. With Engagebay, one can fully automate routine and manual tasks to increase efficiency and nurture their audience in the right way. Engagebay comes with a full stack of marketing, sales, and service automation features to scale your business. By consolidating multiple functionalities into a single platform, Engagebay streamlines processes, improves efficiency, and provides a holistic view of customer interactions. This enables businesses to nurture leads more effectively, close more deals, and deliver exceptional customer experiences, ultimately driving revenue growth and profitability. With Engagebay, businesses can bring together their sales and marketing teams, allowing them to track every action in sales pipeline. What sets Engagebay apart is its ability to provide automation, workflow, and sequencing communication features that were not available before. Users have developed automated workflows for ticket sales and customer tracking, saving time and enhancing productivity. Additionally, Engagebay provides complete automation and extensive communication features, including lead creation, email marketing, marketing funnels, and opt-in forms. It solves the hassle of using multiple tools, providing integrated features for lead generation, contact management, lead nurturing, marketing automation, and appointment scheduling. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Engagebay. If you enjoyed this Engagebay review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.